Welcome back to part 6 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. For this part, it's not going to be as much interaction, like me actually doing work. It's going to be more periodically doing it, if I said that right. But it's going to be progress shots, progress videos for time purposes. Basically, I'm going to show clips of before I do something and after I do something for this whole video. This is just a progress video, basically. I don't know if I took it before, but this is how I look after. I got everything cleaned up, taken out. Got the seats taken out. All that. Got that door panel taken off. Trying to take this one off too. And finish taking out the headliner so I can redo all that. The engine's still not starting right now, but I'm gonna get it towed somewhere else so I can get that work done. And I can start doing body work on the car. I got the car in a new spot. I got some space to work. I'm starting to take off all the trims so I get it sandblasted and prep for paint so I get the whole car painted. I took off all this already. Took off this, tail lights. I think I take off all these trims, the windows, the doors, door handles. Take the tires back off, the bumper. But I'm gonna update y'all periodically because this takes hours. So it's gonna be hours of just sitting there doing that. I finally got that toolbox out. Now I finally got all these bolts. There's about 30 bolts holding this in. So I can take this back piece off. There's probably some more bolts in there. I basically got everything stripped down. This door, that door. Everything is out the car. That way. All the trims. Inside that box, this whole panel was rusted right here. Got that out. Windshield trims, everything, all the trims out. Trims for this. Just the bumper left. All the trims on this side. Everything on this side. The brakes on this side was locked up. Like that was stuck to it. So the tire couldn't move. And now doing wiring because all the wiring messed up. That's why it's not starting, because it's not properly done or chewed up and stuff. Where am I? Shit. We figured out these wires, got those connected. Now he taught me how to do these wires. My uncle taught me how to do these wires. And I found out where they go. So I gotta cut the tip of this. Cut tip of this one. I did these two already, and then I'm gonna stick them in there. And then these go to the inside. So when I get done fixing these two, they're gonna put those in the inside and then do it from the other side. Did the outside wires. Now gotta do all these. Make sure all these straight.
It's a new car that's operated on air.
It run, but we did some of the wiring. But the key, it keep getting stuck. Every time we crank it, it gets stuck right there. So we gotta turn it back off. But we trying to fix that now, so we get it running. A better example of that would be how this got 3. 1, 2, 3. This when you start it. So you go on, but it's on, and let it go and go back to here. With the El Camino, it's staying right here. So it's on and it's starting at the same time. So if that keep happening, it's gonna break. So I gotta get a whole new assembly. This whole new assembly right here. Now this is the shop without the car in it. I'm back in my area. So paints. I had to get this cleaned up, painted. All these trims right here cleaned up and painted. Throwing this away. Trash. Get that cleaned up and painted. This is some interior pieces. Get that cleaned up and painted. This interior pieces too. Get those cleaned up and painted. And then everything in this box right here getting cleaned up, painted. And I had to get this right here new for the key, so I get it running. That's the end of part 6 for the 1968 El Camino rebuild. This is more just an update video, short update video. But the next video gonna be more of me actually doing the work. This whole build gonna be done in less than 3 weeks, so stay tuned for part 7, 8, possibly 9. So close to completely finishing the car. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.